Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of Canva, a game changer for anyone who wants to create stunning visuals for their YouTube videos, even if you're a complete design newbie. We all know eye-catching visuals are crucial for grabbing attention on YouTube, but expensive design software? Not for everyone. That's where Canva comes in. It's a free, user-friendly platform packed with features to help you create professional-looking intros, outros, thumbnails, and more for your videos. Why Canva? So, why choose Canva? Here are a few reasons. Free and easy to use. No complicated menus or steep learning curves. Canva's drag-and-drop interface makes it perfect for beginners. Templates galore. Ditch the blank canvas anxiety. Canva offers a vast library of pre-made templates for various YouTube elements. Just customize and personalize them to fit your brand. Free and paid resources. Access millions of free stock photos, videos, and graphics. Upgrade to Canva Pro for even more premium options. Collaboration made easy. Work with your team or virtual assistants. Canva allows real-time collaboration on projects. Getting started with Canva. It's to 3.5 minutes. Host. Let's get you started. Head over to canva.com and sign up for a free account. You can use your email address or connect with your Google or Facebook account. Now comes the fun part. Search for YouTube in the search bar. You'll find a treasure trove of templates for intros, outros, thumbnails, and even lower thirds, or text overlays. Explore different categories to find one that matches your video style. Time to unleash your creativity. Click on a template to open it in the editor. Here's where the magic happens. Replace the placeholder text and images with your own content. Explore the toolbox on the left side. You can change fonts and colors to find a font combination that reflects your brand personality and play with color schemes to create a visually cohesive look. Add elements to spice things up with icons, shapes, illustrations, and even videos from Canva's library. Edit photos and videos by applying filters, adjusting brightness and contrast, or even cropping photos and videos directly within Canva. Here are some bonus tips to elevate your Canva creations. Maintain brand consistency. Use your brand colors, fonts, and logos throughout your designs for a polished look. Animations and transitions. Canva Pro offers basic animations and transitions to add dynamism to your intros and outros. Download in the right format. When downloading your design, choose MP4 for videos and PNG for high-quality images with transparent backgrounds. Canva's potential goes beyond YouTube visuals. Explore these features to expand your creative horizons. Social media graphics. Create stunning graphics for your Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter posts. Presentations. Ditch PowerPoint and design engaging presentations with Canva's presentation templates. Printable marketing materials. Flyers, posters, and business cards. Canva's got you covered. That's it. With Canva, creating stunning visuals for your YouTube channel is easier than ever. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly use Canva to maintain a cohesive brand identity across your videos. Now it's your turn to get creative. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube content creation tips.